multiplied by shear stress. Shear stress is this value Fs multiplied by the radius. Radius of this shaft is diameter by 2. So I will say d by 2. So this can be rewritten as, friends, area under shear is this area, width into that length. So we can call it as B into L is the area. Shear stress is represented by tau. Since it is for key, I designate it as BL tau K, where tau K is the shear stress in the key multiplied by D by 2. And finally, friends, we can write down that is empty key in shear is equal to BL tau K multiplied by D by 2. Say